Welcome back to WordPress Download Manager tutorials. In this tutorial, we will talk about the WPDM directory add-on, also known as the archive page add-on. Before getting started, make sure you have both WordPress Download Manager and the WPDM directory add-on installed and activated on your website. Once everything is set up, create a new page or open an existing page where you want to display your download categories. You can easily generate different directory layouts using the provided shortcodes. In this video, we'll explore all available directory views one by one and see how each shortcode works. Let's start with the compact view. Here we are using the WPDM archive compact shortcode. Inside the shortcode, you can configure several parameters, including template ID, package ordering, number of items per page, number of columns. Simply set your preferred template inside the template argument and customize the other settings according to your needs. In this view, visitors can search categories and sort packages directly from the toolbar, making content discovery quick and convenient. Next, we have the archive page default view. Here we are using the archive default shortcode. Most of the shortcode parameters are identical to the compact view. The primary differences are the selected view type and button style. In this layout, categories are displayed in a left sidebar, allowing visitors to browse packages by category while viewing available downloads in the main content area. Now let's look at one of the most popular layouts, the archive page filter view. Here is the shortcode used for this view. The filter view provides a wide range of filtering options that help users quickly find the files they're looking for. Using the sidebar, visitors can apply additional filtering options available in the interface, browse packages by category, filter content using custom date ranges, search select packages by tags. This view is especially useful for websites with a large collection of downloadable files. Next is the archive page flat view. This is one of the simplest archive layouts available. Using the shortcode, you can configure package ordering, page templates, items per page, other display settings. Instead of displaying categories in a traditional menu, this layout presents them as clickable tabs, providing a clean and minimal browsing experience. Now let's look at the archive page green view. Using the shortcode is essentially the same as the default archive view. The reason it's called green view is because the button style is set to success, which gives the interface its distinctive green appearance. Next, we have the archive page simple view. This layout is very similar to the compact view. However, one important difference is that the category drop-down selector is not included in this view. If you're looking for a cleaner and more simplified interface, the simple view can be a great choice. Similarly, we have the advanced search right view. This layout uses the same filtering functionality provided by the archive filter view. The only difference is that the filter sidebar appears on the right side of the page. You can choose either layout depending on your website design and user experience preferences. Next is the simple search view. This shortcode generates a dedicated search page for your downloads. Visitors can search package titles directly from the search form. The search results will be displayed using the link template you specify within the shortcode. You can also control the number of columns used for displaying search results, allowing you to match the design of your website. Finally, let's explore WPDM category blocks. This shortcode allows you to display selected categories in a block or directory style layout. Each category appears as its own block, and within those blocks, visitors can see the packages that belong to that category. You can see the total package count under that category name as well. If there is no package, then the count will be 0. This layout is perfect for showcasing featured categories and providing quick access to related downloads. And that's all the available directory views included with the WPDM directory add-on. Simply choose the view that best fits your website, insert the corresponding shortcode, customize the available parameters, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.